You know, people bring a lot of weird stuff when they go camping. So do I. So here's some things that you should probably have when you go camping.
Oh, cardboard?
Yeah, the cardboard from the things. We're out in the wild. This is my first time.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Got a lot of men here, so they can carry things so that Anna and I don't break nails or anything.
I know, we both have our nails done.
I was a little worried on the way, not gonna lie.
The only thing I brought was a blanket and a pillow. They brought the rest. What did you bring, John?
Myself.
Danielle, what did you bring?
A knife. Come at me. I brought games.
Be out here! Ah, God! No! Here, do you want the knife? No! This is my problem with the wild.
You brought lemons?
I did not. Everybody got some.
I brought Caesar salad and lemons. Salt, pepper, garlic salt,
Let's get the tin foil up in here.
Hey crew.
Hey, what's up?
How's it going?
Well, we just made dinner.
Yeah, we did, but we didn't cook it yet. So.
Yeah, we put it in this tin foil.
Nice.
You wanna see it?
Yes.
It's a bunch of raw meat and onions.
Yum.
We thought we grabbed salt and pepper, but the package was salt and salt.
Fire.
Wow. Wow.
Good looking selfie.
Look at us.
Oh, we're so cute.
We're so outdoorsy.
Yeah, right.
Work it.
John, what kind of meat is that?
Chinese wiener.
Nice wiener.
Yeah, they're not meant to go on these things. That's they're meant to be fried in a wok.
John, we have a pan.
Is it a wok?
Breaking my diet. I think John brought these. He brought candy. These. Look at him go.
So if you want, I can even. Hey!
Why do you have a pickle in there again? Always bring Twizzlers camping. It's the best camping snack ever.
What?
Camping.
I don't like Twizzlers. We finna get some fish.
So we left half of the crew back at the campsite, and 3 of us are fishing. Actually 2, because I don't have a fishing pole. Found the guys. Day 2, we only had 1 visit from the raccoon, and now the guys are cooking us breakfast.
John.
I'd say Phil, 2 of the greatest things, cheese and beer together.
John, what are you
We
making?
also have pretzels too.
John, what are you making?
To the right,
Cheese.
too.
Best we have pretzels. Pretzels are the best with beer cheese.
How was our first camping trip?
I know, we did it.
Yeah, how was it?
It was fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.